So, hello friend, this is Abhishek Avasti. Today I bring for you a new topic. As you know, UP government announced Uttar Pradesh assistant teacher results. So we will give the brief information about it, and will so it will be they just release the notifications in and mention that notification after 2 p.m. they will upload whoever candidate qualified that exam on UP government website. So there you can check your name. Let's proceed further and we will discuss about how many candidate qualified that exam, how many vacancy and all. We'll discuss in details. Okay, so let's start. So they just uh, release one press note, and then they are saying today they will release the result. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, what is the basic cutoff for this? That's usually so for general candidate, its cutoff is 60%. So whoever is scored out of 150 is 90%, 90 marks, that candidate declared passed. And uh, Eiler was the same exam, that cutoff criteria was 65%. So whoever scored 97 out of 150, that candidate was declared passed, but now it's decreased 5%. So whoever scored 90 marks, that candidate qualified for general category. And for set and verdict favor of candidate, set criteria 45% respective general category. So but that basic qualifying criteria. Later teacher filled the petition. High Court and Court March 2000 give the verdict in favor of candidate set criteria of 40 and 45% essentially reserved and general category candidate. So what Supreme Court directed to UP government, they can consider at a basic qualifying criteria for SC is at least 40% marks and 45% for general category. Suppose UP government conducted any exam, and if they are not able to find the candidate who score at least 50% 45% mark in general category, that candidate will not qualify. At least minimum you have to score 45%. After that it will be on merit basis according to the vacancy. Okay, let's see further. So over 4.3 lakh candidate had registered. So over 4.3 lakh candidate had registered for that exam, and out of which only 3.8 lakh candidate had appeared in exam. So who only 3.8 lakh candidate given this exam. Okay. So UP government order said vacant post issued one post in December. So okay. So whatever the UP Uttar Pradesh government released one notification, so they will with basis of this result they will fill around 70,000 vacancy, which was released on 6th December 2018. Okay. So assess total candidate qualified out of three, as you can see here, total candidate 3.8 lakh candidate appeared for this exam, and 1.4 lakh candidate cleared this exam as per the new criteria. So minimum cutoff now is 60%. So total candidate filled this form is 4 lakh 31,000 and 1467 candidate, and only 4 lakh 9,530 appear 30 candidate appeared in this exam, and out of that 4 lakh 95,000 9,530 1 lakh 46,060 candidate passed this exam. Okay. So on the basis of 10 number of qualified, so in different category, D DL add 38,610 candidate qualify, and para teachers 8,008 para teacher 8,018 candidate, and B add 97,368 candidate. Total is 1.46 lakhs. So out of 1.46 lakh candidates who pass the exam, 3600 36,300 voting candidate from general category and 84,868 from OBC categories and 24,308 from SC category and 27 from SC category qualified this exam. So you can see almost 50% candidate this exam from comes from the other backward category. Only general 36,314 candidate qualified this exam. So training course मैं करूँ 36. Okay, different category I already told you. The 38,000 qualified candidate for diploma elementary education DELED and under this belt post BEd 97,361 candidate qualified and Shiksha Mitra only 8,018 candidate qualified and total 2,000 chosen candidate have other qualifying courses under the belt of approved by other NICE. Uttar Pradesh Association has been declared. So recruitment exam was conducted on January 6th. This exam was conducted on 6 January 2019. Fill 69,000 vacancy. Assistant teacher candidate who appeared for this exam will be the check their result online on this website latrexam.upsdc government. Over the 3 lakh candidate had appeared this exam. I already explained you. So very soon Uttar Pradesh government will release a final 1.46 lakh candidate list. So you can log in on these websites and check your name if you qualified. I think the Uttar Pradesh government already released that answer key, so you may aware how much marks you score according to you. So this is the answer sheet. I think you already matched your question and answer. So this is just now I checked as they saying this result will be uploaded, but as of now result is not uploaded, so you have to wait till end of the day. Maybe till end of the day they will upload and or maybe tomorrow you can check. So that's all for now. Thank you. Bye bye. Please do subscribe my channel, like channel and do comment.